Okay, hey guys. So today's video, I'm gonna cover how to install the PyQt and the QtDesigner for it. So last time we installed Python. It was 3.9, and the framework for IntelliJ. I hope you guys installed successfully, and this time it's gonna for PyQt5 installation, it's gonna be easy. So what you want to do is just go into command prompt. If you have installed the Python successfully, you should have this pip installation. So what you're gonna write down here is pip install PyQt5. For me, I already downloaded it, so it will say requirement already satisfied. But then for you, it may take some time, but not too long. After you're done with this PyQt5 installation, you want to download the PyQt5 tools, which includes the QtDesigners. Here, PyQt5 tools. So again, I already have downloaded on my computer, so it will say requirement already satisfied, but for you guys it will take a few times. After you guys are done with these steps, what you want to do is actually make, because this PyQt designer that we're gonna use, it is kind of hidden, so you just type it in Python. So you see the idle here, right click and open file location, and from here you just go on to app data, or it could be different for you guys depending on where you guys installed your Python. Okay, so for me, I just install the default location, so just app data, local, and from here, let's see, we're in programs, and there's my Python. I have some versions here, but what we installed yesterday was 3.9, and from here, lib, and alright, side packages, and let's see, Qt5 applications, and there's a Qt and Bean. So alright, it was, like I said before, it is kind of hidden. So this is QtDesigner. What I want to do is just Control C and like make a shortcut on your desktop here. So I just made shortcuts so you can access it easily. You just double click. Oh, I cannot do that. One sec. Here. So this is the QtDesigner, but let me hold for a second. Sorry, guys. Okay, I know that this wasn't working, but I made big mistake. What you had to do was just right click here, and let's see, send to, and create shortcut. Then you'll see this designer shortcut. You just double click it. Alright, so this is going to be the main page for your QtDesigner. What this really does is make, you can create your GUI, like a graphic user interface, easily. So it's kind of like the drag and, like put. So like there are some options here, dialog without buttons, and then this is gonna be the empty, like blank, the GUI, and then you can put like push buttons and like a list view or things you like, and then you just arrange on your GUI. So we're gonna go over more details about the QtDesigner next time. I hope you guys follow these steps and then successfully downloaded those the PyQt5 and PyQt and the PyQt2 tools here, and just leave comment if you have any questions. Okay, all right, thank you guys.